Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Welcome to our Q by Design channel. Today we're representing you the new G-Wagon 6x6 kit for W463. Usually we begin our process with a special stand with a part of frame for 6x6 kit and a particular rear pickup body 6x6, the overall intention. That's completely, if you know, especially for customers who know what it is. That's exactly needed part, the special stand for welding, because you need to cut off your rear part from G-Wagon and weld in a part of frame and the pickup body by part, by point, exactly like this as the original. So on a special stand, when you fix a part of frame and put a rear pickup body onto a frame which is already bricked with the special points and the silent blocks on a special metallic stand, it's easy to weld on the whole thing on the rear, and make it accurately and time manually and framely. That's very good. So exactly this kit includes special stand metallic which carries the part of frame on these special points, then special silent blocks which hold this part of frame. It's being connected and bricked up with the special points like the original 6x6 including, and regular 6x6 rear pickup body with a chrome tube, could be also chrome polished like a matte chrome, and black chrome and black glass, well, whatever customer wants, but this time customer wanted chrome original. And special yacht wood on the rear pickup body lays inside. This time customer wanted a special red wood, and it includes a regular 6x6 pickup body which includes the whole pickup body itself divided into two well-known parts. It's a complete set within two parts. So let's begin our technical part. So as you can see, it's a G63 AMG rear axle, which has been connected with a special current shafts with a middle axle with a rear axle. So it's a real 6x6 as the customer exactly wanted to show for the people how can we act. And as you may see also, the special current shafts have been manufactured with their own Q by Design service. Our special divider power box has special brackets. You can easily use it for 6x6. Just tap it correctly to the underneath of the pickup body for the special points with the bolts, and it holds it correctly, so you won't issue any vibrations or screws or damages, and the carbon shafts have been balanced exactly for 6x6 G63 AMG. Technically, on how it works. First of all, the main gearbox is connected with a middle power divider box with a special current shaft which works on a special angle. Then it divides into two axles, the middle axle and said rear axle, with a special manufactured current shafts. It runs like on off-road and on usual road. The short current goes directly to the middle axle and the long current shaft goes to the said rear axle. It's divided technology, not just the original, just comes through the original gearbox to power divider box and the third rear axle, and then to the rear axle from the middle one. It comes divided. So the technology is really simple, but it's hard to believe that it works properly, but you can test it, and then when you buy it and when you test it, you'll share us your experience. Technically, we use the original Mercedes parts. So if you want to build a real 6x6 Mercedes in any country, you won't issue any incompletely or inconvenient situations with the government or documentation implemented, because we use only original Mercedes parts with these part numbers, and when you install it, you can pass your TÜV or DOT EPA. As for decorative streaming parts, you can see we use original, qualitative, pure, genuine carbon fiber parts for exterior tuning. That means that we use 4x4 as it incompletely implemented into 6x6 fender flares with rear long moldings. That means it's lightweight, it's not screwable, it's not damageable, it's not even scratchable. So the quality is perfect, it's very easy to install, it's been modified exactly for our 6x6 rear pickup body, and you won't issue any problems with an installation. As for front bumper, we use front LED bumper lip spoiler with LED Nolden original. So your lights will be exactly as like on the original G63 AMG. As for rear pickup body, we use special glasses with rubber moldings. As for guards, as for front and rear guards, by customer choice, we use the chrome original rear and front guard, like engine cover and the rear bumper cover with special defensive tubes. But by your choice, we can make a black matte, black chrome, or even any color you may choose. As for the front roof, we use 6x6 front roof spoiler, also as an original Mercedes. Two-sided carbon in each way. It's very lightweight. You can see I handle it with one hand, even with two fingers, and it uses original hella LEDs inside. In my hands, I handle special silent blocks for 6x6. If you want to completely and properly install your body onto a frame, onto like a suspension, you won't be able to without a special silent blocks, which are powerfully modified to carry, this huge mass. So if you want to get ones, you may always visit us. If you ask me why am I shooting a Mercedes video in my BMW t-shirt, well, I love BMW.
Like a boss.
Oh yes, I keep the bank rolling. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared.
Hi everyone, welcome to our Kubai Design YouTube channel. As you can see, we are very tired today because we uploaded a container for our 6x6 conversion kit. You can see we uploaded into a special container. It's enough for 20 or 25 tons exclusively, and we gonna fix it with the brackets with a special fixing like kit on the top, on the bottom, with a special bracketing system, so it's safe to be delivered through ocean, and it's not, it's not loaded for the 100%. We are working on this, but this is video just to show on how we make our containers, how we work, and the delivery system that it comes in safe. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hope you really liked our video. We are very tired, sorry, it's sunny and very hot, so keep safe. I gladly thank you that you visited our Q by Design channel, watched our special video for 6x6 kit. Each time we represent you our manufacturer and our main work, because our guys try to fix all the needed preparations for real 6x6 for our happy customers, and we work worldwide. That means that we try every day very hard to implement our newly technologies into this tough Mercedes world. So I hope you like your video. I hope you like our work. If you need any contact, please DM us. And if you need any conversation on like implementation of your own technique in the Mercedes, in any part and everything, you can only write us on our Q by Design channel or our website or our WhatsApp, Telegram. And hope you like our tune. Stay tuned. Love Mercedes.